So this course today is about Jivan Mukht. And not only do our teachings of death teach us how to die with more consciousness and then how to help someone else, but they also teach us how to live better, how to live with more consciousness. And that's going to be what today's class is about Jivan Mukht. Jivan Mukht, Jivan means life, and Mukht means free. So you put that together and it means liberated while alive. Many religions have the concept about heaven and hell, that something that happens after life. But in our yogic technology, we believe that heaven and hell happens right here while you're alive. And so we can train ourselves of how to be liberated while we are alive. And then that consciousness will go with us when we are transitioning into death and to whatever comes next for us after that.